In today's repair guide, we'll explain how to fix and maintain your Amana washer. You'll learn error codes and simple troubleshooting tips. Be sure to check out our website if you have any questions. There's a link in the description. Enjoy the video. If you're looking for help fixing your Amana washer, look no further. Our comprehensive Amana washer error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code, lock or LC. Problem, control lock has been activated. Fix, touch the control lock button. Or on older models, determine which button activates the control lock. Some models require you to press and hold the button. Code, det. Problem, detergent cartridge not detected in the dispenser. Fix, this is on select models. If you are using single load doses of detergent, ignore this message. Ensure the dispenser cartridge is inserted correctly and the dispenser drawer is shut completely. Code, int. Problem, the cycle was paused or cancelled. Fix, the washer may take 20 to 30 minutes to stop spinning and drain and will display this error code during that time. To remove the code, press the pause or cancel button twice and the power button once. If the code is still displayed, unplug the washer or disconnect the power for 1 minute. Code, RL or F34. Problem, items were detected in the washer during the clean washer cycle. Fix, remove items from the drum and restart the clean washer cycle. Code, SUD or SD. Problem, there are too many suds in the washing machine. Fix, the washer will not be able to spin out water with the excess suds. When SUD or SD is displayed, the washer automatically extends the rinse time to remove the excess suds. During this time, the washer pauses the tumbling and adds water for additional rinsing. This pause allows the bubbles in the suds to break. This pause and rinsing are necessary and may occur several times to eliminate the suds. Make sure you are using HE or high-efficiency detergent. Find more information on HE detergent use in your washer. Code, F82 Problem, the door is not locking properly. Fix, check that there are no items blocking the door and it is closing completely. Press the pause or cancel button twice and the power button once to clear the code. Code, F7E1 Problem, indicates a motor speed sensing error. Fix, the motor cannot achieve the correct speed for the cycle selection. Check that all the shipping bolts have been removed, and the washer has not been overloaded. Press the pause or cancel button twice and the power button once to clear the code. Code, F81 or low FL. Problem, the washer is sensing a low flow of water. Fix, check that the household water supply is turned on and both the cold and the hot water faucets or valves are fully open. The water inlet hoses are not kinked, and there are no anti-flood hoses and controls in the water line connected to the washer. Code, F82 Problem, this indicates there is a problem with the dispenser system. Fix, this is on select models. Verify detergent drawer or detergent cartridge is not clogged with detergent. Code, F9E1 Problem, this indicates that drain times are longer than expected, typically over 8 minutes. Fix, make sure the drain hose is not kinked or clogged. Use the U-shaped drain hose form on the drain hose. The standpipe drainpipe height requirements are 96,244 cm maximum and 3999 cm minimum. Code, other F#E# code. Problem, indicates other errors. Fix, unplug the washer or disconnect the power for 1 minute and reconnect it again. Reselect the cycle and press start. If you're looking for help fixing your Amana washer, look no further. Our comprehensive Amana washer troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Amana washer won't spin. The lid switch assembly prevents the washer from spinning when the lid is open. If the lid switch assembly fails, the washer will not spin. To determine if the lid switch assembly is defective, use a multimeter to test the lid switch for continuity. If the lid switch does not have continuity, replace it. Amana washer is making a loud noise. The tub bearing is mounted in the middle of the outer tub. The tub bearing helps to keep the inner tub spinning smoothly. Replacing the tub bearing is a very involved repair and will require disassembling most of the washer. If the tub bearing is defective, we recommend replacing both the outer tub and bearing. Amana washer won't agitate. If the washer won't agitate, replacing the agitator repair kit may solve the problem. The kit contains the agitator components that are most likely to wear out or fail. If any of the parts are worn out, stripped, or damaged, Replace the kit. Amana washer won't drain. Sometimes, small objects or articles of clothing can get caught in the drain pump. To determine if anything is blocking the drain pump, remove the drain pump and check the pump for obstructions. If the drain pump is clear of obstructions, but is still noisy during the drain cycle, replace the drain pump. Amana washer vibrating or shaking. One or more of the shock absorbers might be broken or worn out. The shock absorbers dampen the vibration of the washer tub. If one or more of the shock absorbers are worn out, the washer will vibrate or shake. Sometimes, when a washer is moved to another location, the shock absorbers can separate. Check the shock absorbers to ensure that they are positioned correctly, and inspect them for damage and wear. If one or more of the shock absorbers are broken or worn out, we recommend replacing all of the shock absorbers as a preventative measure. Amana washer fills slowly or will not fill at all. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the washing machine. If the water inlet valve is defective, the wash may fill slowly or not fill at all. The water inlet valve requires sufficient water pressure to function properly. First, check the water pressure to determine that it is adequate. If the water pressure is adequate, try cleaning the screens inside the water inlet valve hose connection ports. If the washer still fills slowly, replace the water inlet valve. If you're looking for help fixing your Amana washer, look no further. Our comprehensive Amana washer repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Amana manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Amana appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Washing machine moves around. It's normal for your washing machine to vibrate and move slightly during a washing cycle. But when it starts to bounce around loudly or move a lot, this indicates something is wrong with your washing machine that will need to be repaired. The most common cause of this problem is when the washing machine isn't level on the ground. To fix this problem, you can grab a bubble level and check if your washing machine is level. If not, adjust the leg so that it is. If that isn't the cause of the problem, the next likely cause is faulty suspension rods. Sometimes they become disconnected, and this will cause your washing machine to bounce around a lot. If the suspension rods are defective, they need to be replaced. Washer doesn't turn on. If your washing machine doesn't turn on or stops during a cycle, it is most likely caused by a problem with the power source. To fix this problem, you need to check that the circuit breaker responsible for powering your washer is turned on. And if not, turn it back on. If the problem keeps happening, it will need to be repaired. If the circuit breaker is okay, then plug your washer into another power outlet and see if it works. If it does, this means the power outlet is faulty and needs to be repaired. Washer door doesn't open. If your washing machine's door doesn't open, it is usually caused by your washer still being filled with water, which stops the door latch from opening. To get the door open, turn your washing machine onto a new cycle, and this should drain the washing machine and let you open the door. Once you've got the door open, you'll need to check the drain and filter to ensure there is no blockage. If your door won't open even when there is no water in it, it could be caused by a faulty door switch or the control board. These internal elements will need to be checked with a multimeter and then repaired or replaced. So you'll need to call a technician to do it for you. Washing machine doesn't fill with water. If your washing machine isn't filling up with enough water or isn't filling with water at all, the best place to start is to check the water hoses, which can sometimes get blocked or kinked. To do this, you simply need to locate the hoses and check them for blockages or kinks. And if you find any, fix the hose so that the water can freely flow through them. You should also check that water is coming through the taps. And if not, it might be caused by your water being turned off at the main. Or you might be experiencing an outage. Washer smells. If you've got a smelly washing machine, it is probably the result of a buildup of bacteria and grime in your washing machine. This is often caused by only using cold washers and leftover detergent after a cycle, which over time turns into grime and starts to smell. To get rid of the smells, run your washing machine on a cycle when it is empty on the hottest setting possible. 9 times out of 10, this will remove the smell. To avoid this happening again, it's a good idea to give your washing machine a regular clean. Clothes come out ripped. If your clothes or linens are coming out with holes or rips in them, this indicates that something is wrong with your washer. This is another problem that is usually caused by something in your washer that shouldn't be there. Like a piece of sharp plastic. It can also be caused by your clothes getting caught up around the center pole. So make sure your clothes and linens are properly placed in the washer. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more repair guides.